Thank you for watching this video. This video is on how to design a computer online with the click of your mouse. So if you're ready to design a computer, just go on up here to the top right of the screen where it says design a new PC and click there. And scroll down here. You're going to pick either gaming laptops or professional workstations. Let's pick a gaming laptop, gaming prop, a gaming computer. And then we're going to pick gaming enthusiast. So we have a couple of computers here to start with. These are all base models. After you pick the base model, we're going to upgrade it from there. So let's start with this one right in the middle here, this Z95. Now we're going to have to choose either a full tower or a mid tower. Basically, the mid tower is a little shorter of a computer and uses a smaller main board or motherboard, about 9 inches by 9 inches. And the bigger tower allows you to have a bigger motherboard with more slots, 9 inches by 12 inches. So let's go with a full tower. And then we're gonna scroll down here. We're gonna look. These are the current specifications of this computer, and we're gonna go through each one of these, upgrading it. So let's see. So it comes with a 750 watt power supply. We can upgrade that. I would prefer for gaming maybe to do 1,000 watts. So here we go. And then here's the motherboard. We can upgrade our motherboard. Here's the Prime Asus Deluxe. Here's the Asus ROG Strix. We'll go with that. Then here's the i7 6-core processor it comes with. Maybe we can upgrade it to a 10-core. There we go. Upgrade it to a 10-core. Here's the cooling. We could upgrade it to liquid cooling. I prefer liquid cooling. Even add some blue lights here. Okay, we'll do that. Here's the RAM, DDR4 memory. Let's upgrade the memory. We'll upgrade to 64 gigabytes of RAM. Comes with the hyperclocking and memory performance optimization. Here's the video card. The 2 gigabyte video card is not going to be enough. If you're going to be a gamer, you might want to do Crossfire. So we'll get 2 video cards. Here's 2 NVIDIA GeForce 1070 DDR5 video cards. Here's 2 1080s. Okay, so we'll go with the 1080s. Advanced 3D video performance tuning optimization and hyperclocking. Can do that. Audio. Speakers. So you're going to have to choose a speaker system for your computer if you don't already have it. So here's the hard drive. It comes with a solid state, but a 250 gigabyte solid state. I think I would prefer probably a Samsung solid state. We'll do that, and then an extra hard drive, a SATA hard drive for internal storage. Here's the network. You can add a D-Link. Productivity software. If you need Office, it's right here for you. Keyboard, mouse, network cable, parent. Okay, so that's it. I think I've about built my computer. Now we just click Buy Now. That's all there is to it. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. So there we go. There's our computer. We just check out and we just built ourselves a computer and we'll have it delivered straight to our home. How was that? So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to build a computer with the click of your mouse. That's all there is to it. You can also visit the PC Upgrader for lots of great softwares and upgrade tips here at the PC Upgrader blog. And hope to see you here at the PC Upgrader. Have a real nice day.